So good evening, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So welcome to the JEE Mains mock test 4. So today we shall discuss mock test complete syllabus. So Manasa, welcome to Manasa. So good evening all. So let us start mock test 4. Mock test 4 complete syllabus JEE Mains and even EAMCET. It will be useful for EAMCET also, sometimes it is ECET also. Okay. Manmit Kumar, Srinivas, welcome. Pavitra, Kartikeya, okay, Kartikeya. So now the first question. One more good news to you all. So you can appear for the 4 chances. Out of the actually in which chances you will get the more marks, that will be retained. So you can apply for 4 chances in JEE Mains examination. Good evening, good evening. So now the first question. The distance of the origin from the normal at y-axis to the curve y equals to 1 plus x whole to the power of y plus sine inverse of sine square x. So good evening, welcome to once again our session. Due to power failure, I was not able to continue the classes now, so we shall continue the class. So let me discuss the first question once again. First question. The distance of the origin from the normal at y-axis to the curve y equals to 1 plus x whole to the power of y plus sine inverse of sine square x. Okay, sine square x is first option 1, second option 1 upon 2, third option root 2, fourth option 1 upon root 2. This is the question. Here see, the distance of the origin from the normal which is drawn at y-axis to the curve y is equal to 1 plus x whole to the power of y plus sin inverse of sin x square, sin square x. So that we need to find out. So that means first of all we need to find out equation to the normal at the point y-axis. After that, the distance from origin to the line we need to find out. Okay, let us find out now. Here first of all we need to find out dy by dx of this curve. So first the point on the y-axis also first we need to find out. Solution. See, put x is equal to 0 because on y-axis x is equal to 0. So if you put y is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 plus 0 whole to the power of y, 1 plus sin inverse of sin square 0. This is 1 plus sin inverse 0. Sin inverse 0 is 0. So 1 plus 0, 1. So okay, ready crazy. Okay, right. The point on y-axis is 0, 1. That means at this point we need to find out equation of the normal to this curve. So now consider the curve y equals to 1 plus x whole to the power of y plus sin inverse of sin square x. So first let us find out dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of this function is equal to, so we have u to the power of v function, d by dx of u to the power of v. This is equal to, you can write u to the power of v plus v by u. This is du by dx plus log u into dv by dx. This is the formula to find out derivative of u to the power of v. So now 1 plus x whole to the power of y is 1 plus x whole to the power of y into v. V means y upon u. U means 1 plus x. 1 plus x derivative is 1 plus log u, log of 1 plus x into dy by dx. Plus, now the derivative of sin inverse of sin square x is 1 upon root of 1 minus sin square x whole square, sin x to the power of 4 into sin square x derivative is 2 sin x cos x. So now we need to find out slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is m at dy by dx at 0, here 0, 1 you need to find out. So substitute now. This is equal to 1 plus 0 to the power of 1, y upon, y means 1 upon 1 plus log 1 is 0, you will be getting, plus here sin 0 also 0. You will be getting 1. So slope of the tangent is 1. So now this is the slope of the tangent. Slope of the normal is given by mn is equal to minus 1 by slope of the tangent, that is minus 1. Now equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is y minus y1 equals to, so slope of the normal into x minus x1. So that means passing through this point, this is x1 comma y1, substituting here y minus 1 equals to minus 1 of x minus 1, x minus 0, x. So you will be getting x plus y equals minus 1 equals to 0. This is the normal. Now we need to find out the perpendicular distance from origin to this line. So that means distance of origin to normal. Actually, distance from origin to the any line is mod c by root of a square plus b square. Actually, what is the equation? X plus y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Equation of normal. Okay. So substituting now here, mod c is constant, mod of minus 1 upon root of x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 1. 1 square 1, 1 square 1. So 1 upon root 2. This is the answer. 1 upon root 2. Ashok, welcome. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. One minute. Okay, this is the fourth. Second question now. Second question. So welcome back to the session. So today it has been disturbing a lot. Second question. Second question. Okay, am I audible to you? Right. If y of x is the solution of the differential equation yes, Nana, this will be useful for KVPY also. Differential equation. Okay, I will discuss KVPY questions also. X plus 2 times dy by dx okay equals to x square plus 4x minus 9. X does not equal to 2 and y of 0 equal to 0. Then y of minus 4 equals to first option is 0, second option is 1, third option is minus 1, fourth option is 2. This is the question. Okay, KV by SES stream live session. Okay. See, if y of x is the solution of the differential equation x plus 2 times dy by dx equals to x square plus 4x minus 9, x does not equal to 2 and y of 0 is equal to 0, then y of minus 4 we need to find out. So it is a differential equation. So first we need to solve the differential equation so that we get the function in terms of x, that is denoted by y of x If you put x is equal to 0, y of 0 is 0 given. With the help of these initial conditions, these are called initial boundary conditions, we need to find out the function. After that, instead of x substitute minus 4, so y of minus 4 or f of minus 4 we need to find out. Okay, first see the solution. This dy by dx equals to, we can write so x square plus 4x minus 9 upon x plus 2. So now dy value write down. Dy equals to x square plus 4x minus 9 upon x plus 2 dx. So just like variable separable, integrating on both sides. So Suresh Misala, integrating on both sides. So this we can write integral of dy equal to integral of, just I would like to write the numerator as x square plus 4x plus 4 and minus 13. That means I would like to write minus 9 as minus 13 plus 4 upon x plus 2 dx. So now this x square plus 4x plus 4 is nothing but x plus 2 power whole square, you can write it. So this equals to, now we get integral of dy is y of x equal to integral of x plus 2 whole square minus 13 upon x plus 2 dx. Okay, so now we need to solve this one now. So this equals to integral x plus 2 whole square by x plus 2 is x plus 2 dx minus 13 common, integral 1 upon x plus 2 dx. Now this y of x equals to, we can write integral of x plus 2 is x plus 2 whole square upon 2, because x differentiation, x integral is x square by 2, minus this is 13 log of x plus 2 plus constant of integration. Say equation 1. First we need to find out constant of integration. Since we have y of 0 is equal to 0, that means here put x is equal to 0. So that means y of 0 equals to 0 plus 2 square. 2 square means 4. 4 by 2 is 2 minus 13 log x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to how much? 0 plus 2. 13 log 2 plus c. But y of 0 is equal to 0. This value is 0. So this equals to 0. That implies c equals to, you can write 13 log 2 minus 2. 13 log 2 minus 2. So therefore now y of x equals to x plus 2 whole square upon 2 minus 13 log of mod x plus 2. C is replaced by 13 log 2 minus 2. Now what we need to find out? Therefore we need to find out y of minus 4. Y of minus 4 equals to minus 4 plus 2 square. Minus 2 square 4 by 2 minus 13 log of minus 4 plus 2 minus 13 log 2 plus 13 log 2 minus 2 plus 13 log 2 minus 13 log 2 cancel. 4 by 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. First option is the right option. Next, now third question. So now you need to chart with your answer now. What's your answer? So now you need to reply. Right. If f of x plus y plus 1 equal to root f of x plus root f of y whole square. for every x comma y belongs to set of real numbers, and f of 0 is defined as 1. F of 0 is equal to 1. Then f of 3 equals to so first option is -3, second option is 9, third option is 4, fourth option is -6. Okay, Rushikesh Sahu, what's your answer? Yes, you are a good teacher, I know. Yes, you are a good teacher. So what is the answer? Now tell me. Then you should have eligibility to say anything. Minimum. Okay. So f of x plus y plus 1 equals to, we have root f of x plus root f of y whole square for every x comma y belongs to R. F of 0 is equal to 1. Then f of 3 we need to find out. Okay, option 1. Spandana, good try. Very good try. So now first let us put y is equal to 0. Let us see what do we get first. So now in this put y is equal to 0, because we are going to get a function, we need to define the function. If you put y is equal to 0, what do you get? F of x plus 1 equals to root f of x plus root f of 0 whole square, you will get it. But f of 0 is defined as 1. Root 1 is 1. This becomes root f of x plus 1 whole square, you will get it. Understood now? So next let us do one thing. Put x is equal to 0. Say equation 1 this is. Put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, what do you get now? F of 1 equal to root f of 0 plus 1 whole square. F of 0 is 1. This will be 1 plus 1 whole square. That will be 2 square. Okay. Now put x is equal to 1. If you put x is equal to 1, what do you get? This becomes f2. This will be root of f1 plus 1 square. f1 is actually how much you have? 2 square. Square root of 2 square is 2. That will be 2 plus 1 whole square. That will be 3 square. So by observation, we write f of x. See, if 1 is there, 1 plus 1 square, 2 is there, 2 plus 1 square, f of x is there, x plus 1 whole square. But we need to find out f of 3. So therefore f of 3 equals to 3 plus 1 whole square. 3 plus 1 whole square means, so now, sorry, f of minus 3 we need to find out. Minus 3 plus 1 square, that is minus 2 square, that will be 4. So option 3 is the right option. Next, fourth question. If the median of a triangle, ABC through A, vertex A is perpendicular to AB, that means side AB, then the value of tan A plus 2 tan B equals to first option -1, second option 2, third option 0, fourth option -2. So which is the right option? Satvik, YT, Rushikesh, Sahu. What is the answer? Anybody? What is the answer? See, the median of triangle ABC, which is drawn through the vertex A perpendicular to the side AB, then the value of tan A plus 2 tan B we need to find out. See, if you draw the figure, then you will get the idea. So first, this take side AB, you draw the perpendicular. This is a perpendicular drawn. See, 1 minute. Okay. This is side AB. Draw perpendicular here. Okay. Just extend it. Say this is A, B, this is a perpendicular. AD is the median, this is the median, this is the median. Median means obviously D is the midpoint, This AD is perpendicular to AB, drawn from A. Opposite side of A is A, so this side equal to this length. Say this will be C, A by 2, you say A by 2. So this side will be B, this side will be C. So now we can write like this. Since this A total angle is A, this will be, you can write this angle is equal to A minus 90 degrees. Because A minus 90 plus 90 angle A, this will be. Now this angle is the exterior angle. 90 plus this angle. This will be 90 degrees plus B. Now you consider this triangle. You consider this triangle. Apply sine rule. Apply sine rule means B by sine of 90 degrees plus B equals to A upon 2 by sine of A minus 90 degrees right down. So now apply sine rule. So B by, or this A by 2 by sine of A minus 90 degrees equal to, for B opposite angle is 90 plus B, B upon sine of 90 plus B you can write using sine rule. See, sine of A minus 90 also, you remember, sine of A minus 90 can be written as, take minus common, minus sine of 90 degrees minus A. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So this becomes minus cos A. And moreover, sine 90 degrees plus theta is plus cos theta only. Sine 90 degrees plus B is cos B. So let us make use of this one. So this can be written as like this, A upon 2 times minus cos A minus 2 cos A equals to B upon, we can write this is cos B. Okay, so now you do one thing. So instead of A, 2r sin A you can write 2r sin A upon minus 2 cos A equals to B is equal to 2r sin B upon cos B. Here see this, we can cancel like this. So 2r cancel. So this can be written as like this now. Right. Sin A by cos A. So this we can write sin A by cos A equal to minus 2 times sin B by cos B. Sin A by cos A is tan A equal to, this will be minus 2 tan B. Bring minus 2 tan B this side. So tan A plus 2 tan B equal to 0. Answer is 0. So third option is the right option. So you can check the solution once again. You can check the solution once again. Okay, now the fifth question. Let A be a complex number, not a real number. A be a complex number such that mod A equals to 1. Modulus of A is equal to 1. If the equation az square plus z plus 1 equal to 0 has a purely imaginary root, then tan of argument of A equals to, first option Nadir, welcome, root 5 minus 1 by 2. Second option root 5 plus 1 by 2. Third one root over root 5 minus 1 by 2. Fourth option root of root 5 plus 1 by 2. Just read the question carefully. So just read the data, what is given. A is a complex number, but its modulus must be equal to 1. And equation az square plus z1 is equal to 0 has a purely imaginary root. Then tan of argument of this A we need to find out. Argument of A means A is the complex number. Argument of A we need to find out. Tan of argument of A. Argument of A means the angle. As for the data, first let us suppose let us say A equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. So since modulus of A equals to root of cos square alpha plus sin square alpha 1, it satisfies. Okay, welcome Arun. So now here it has imaginary root, purely imaginary. Let us say z equals to iy. Z is equal to iy. So now substitute these two values. A is equal to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Z is equal to iy in this equation, because these two must satisfy this equation. So now we have az square plus z plus 1 equals to 0. So now that implies a equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha into z square. Z square means iy whole square. Z equals to iy plus 1 equals to 0. We can write. So now this can be written cos alpha plus I sin alpha into I square. I square is equal to, we know, minus 1. This is actually minus y plus iy plus 1 equals to 0. So just open the bracket, minus y cos alpha minus iy sin alpha. Okay, this will be y square, y square minus y square cos square alpha iy square sin square alpha plus iy plus 1 equals to 0. So now you can write like this: 1 minus y square cos square alpha, this is the imaginary part, plus from this iy square you can take iy common, minus iy common, minus iy common, minus iy common. You get like this. Minus iy means actually you will be getting y sin alpha minus 1 equals to 0. Comparing real and imaginary parts on both sides. Real and imaginary parts on both sides. So comparing real and imaginary, see, both are 0. This is also 0, this is also 0, because it's a 0. So that means we get like this. This will be 0 and this will be 0. So we get y square cos alpha is equal to 1. We get y square equals to 1 upon cos alpha, you will get it. And here we get y is equal to 1 upon sin alpha. 1 upon sin alpha. So put y is equal to 1 upon sin alpha in equation 1. You get now 1 upon sin square alpha equal to 1 upon cos alpha. So cross multiplication, you get cos alpha is equal to sin square alpha. Say equation 1. So next, this cos alpha is equal to, we can write 1 minus cos square alpha. Bring this side, cos square alpha plus cos alpha minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solving, we get cos alpha value. Cos alpha is equal to quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root d by 2a. So b means 1 minus 1 plus or minus root d, b square minus 4ac, 1 plus 4 upon 2a, 2. So minus 1 plus or minus root 5 upon 2. Because actually you see, so you take here plus sign, consider. So we get cos alpha is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2. So now sin alpha we need to find out from 1. So sin square alpha is equal to root 5 minus 1 by 2. Sin alpha is equal to root of root 5 minus 1 by 2. So we need actually here tan of arg. Tan of arg means argument of A is nothing but alpha. Tan alpha we need to find out. Tan alpha means sin alpha by cos alpha. Sin alpha is this value, root of root 5 minus 1 by root 2 into cos alpha means 2 by root 5 minus 1. That we can write root of root 5 minus 1 into root of root 5 minus 1. This cancel. This will be root 2 into root 2 you can write. Root 2 cancel. This will be root over 2 by root 5 minus 1. This can be rewritten as root of root 5 plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. Sorry, you get this one. Root 5 minus 1 by 2 you will be getting, because if you want to rationalize root 5, yeah, root 5 minus 1 by 2 approximately will be getting. Third option. So now the sixth question. Sai Devan. In the binomial expansion of a minus b whole to the power of n greater than or equal to 5, the sum of fifth and sixth terms is 0, then A is to B equals to, first option 5 is to n minus 4, second option 5 is to n minus 3, third option n minus 3 is to 5, fourth option n minus 4 is to 5. So it's not a chapter, it's a mock test, it's a binomial theorem. Try this question. In a binomial expansion, the sum of fifth and sixth terms is 0 given. So we need to find out the ratio between A to B. What is the answer? So in the binomial expansion, A minus B whole to the power of n greater than or equal to 5, the sum of fifth and sixth terms is 0, then A is to B. So in general term of the binomial theorem, TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r, a to the power of r. For example, x plus a whole to the power of n is there. Here what is given? T5 plus T6, fifth term plus sixth term equals to 0. Fifth term write down. Fifth term means 4 plus 1. N is n only. NC4. X means a to the power of n minus 4. And next minus b whole to the power of 4. Plus T6. NC5. A to the power of n minus 5. And minus b to the power of 5 equals to 0. Okay, next. You try next step. Okay, now here minus b to the power of even number is plus. We can write like this. NC4 a to the power of n minus 4, b to the power of 4. Here minus b to the power of odd number. You will be getting negative minus NC5 a to the power of n minus 5, b to the power of 5 equals to 0. So you bring this term to the right hand side. So we get like this. NC5 a to the power of n minus 5, b to the power of 5 equals to, we can write NC4 a to the power of n minus 4, b to the power of 4 you can write. So now NC5 a to the power of n minus 5 upon NC4 a to the power of n minus 4 equal to b to the power of 4 by b to the power of 5 write down. We have one shortcut formula, NCR by NCR minus 1. It's a wonderful shortcut we have. This we can write n minus of r minus 1 upon this r we can write. So using this concept, this can be written n minus 4 upon 5 multiplied by a to the power of m by a to the power of n. A to the power of n minus 5 minus n plus 4 equal to b to the power of 4 minus 5. This n gets cancelled. We have n minus 4 by 5 a to the power of minus 1, that is 1 upon a, b to the power of minus 1 upon b. You cross multiply a that side. So a by b equals to n minus 4 upon 5. Therefore a is to b equals to n minus 4 is to 5. This is our answer. This is our answer. Right. So fourth option is the right option. Fourth option is the right option. Okay, tomorrow we shall continue. Just started. Okay. Today is actually due to power failure I was not able to continue